First little fishy of the season. Out here on a beautiful lake. Hell yeah, send them. Nice little Mother's Day fish. Beautiful little bass. Look at them. See you later, buddy. Thank you. Beautiful fish. Caught him on the whopper plopper. Let's let him go. Jesus, this is a monster pike. Look at this fucking guy. Get out of here, buddy. It's a monster fucking pike. This is my pal. I'm going to call him Glenn. Second bass of the season. Right here, a little tiny pond. I was driving home from work. Let him go. Have a good night. Thank you.